Ladies and gentlemen, we'll shortly be arriving into our final stop, London Waterloo. Please take these last couple of moments to make sure you've got all your personal items with you before you leave the train. Check the overhead storage areas. If you've got any phone or laptop chargers plugged in, please make sure you take those with you. And finally, on behalf of the driver and myself, wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. We'll change at Waterloo.
Train is now approaching its final stop. This is London Waterloo. Change here for London Underground services. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to a member of staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it?